Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, so today I am going to start exercise 18.2. Before you are going to start this exercise, first you have to know the formula. Here the formula is, that is complementary angle formula. So here sin 90 degree minus theta, that equal to cos theta. So here cos 90 degree minus theta that equal to sin theta. Both are the opposite. Now sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. So here cosec 90 degree minus theta that equal to sec theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta that equal to cot theta, and cot 90 degree minus theta that equal to tan theta. Here theta is an arbitrary angle. That means there is no fixed value for theta. So here sum number 1, 2. Here tan 41 by cot 49 degree that equal to, so as here tan 41 will be same. Now cot 49, so you have to change this cot 49 in tan. So here the formula cot 90 minus theta that equal to tan theta. So now 49 and 41 that becomes 90. If you add these two angle, that becomes 90. So instead of 49 you can write 90 degree minus 41 degree, and that is 49. Okay, so just you have to change this 90 degree minus 41 degree, and that becomes cot 90 minus theta that equal to tan theta. So tan cancel out, and that equal to 1. Now the next problem, sum number 2, 2. Here sin 49 degree by cos 41 degree whole square plus cos 41 degree by sin 49 degree whole square. So first here I convert cos 41 degree in sin 49, and then sin 49 degree in cos 41. Now sin 49 cancel out, cos 41 cancel out. So here 1 square plus 1 square, and that equal to 2. Now 2, 4. Cos 75 degree plus by sin 15 plus sin 12 by cos 78 minus cos 78 by sin 72. Okay, so first change sin 15 as cos 75, then cos 78 as sin 12, and then sin 72 as cos 18 using the formula of 90 degree minus theta. So here cos cancel out, sin 12 cancel out, cos 18 cancel out. So here 1 plus 1 minus 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 cancel out. So here answer is 1. Now next, sum number 3, sum number 4 are very easy. Each and every problem you have to just use the 90 degree minus theta formula, and then you can solve the problem. So here sum number 5, 2. In sum number 5, 2, sec 29 degree by cosec 61 plus 2 cot 8 degree, cot 17 degree, cot 45, cot 73, cot 82 minus 3 sin square 38 plus sin square 52. Now here 29 and 61, if you add these two one, so you will get 90 degree. That means the upper one sec 29 degree, and the lower one, instead of 61 you can use 90 degree minus 29. So cosec 90 degree minus 29, that becomes sec 29. So here 2. Now cot 8, and here cot 82. So first write down cot 8 degree, and instead of cot 82 you can use cot 90 degree minus 8. Okay, cot 90 degree minus 8, and that becomes tan 8. Next cot 17, so write down cot 17. Here cot 73. Okay, now instead of cot 73 you can write down cot 90 minus 17. Cot 90 minus 17, so that equal to tan 17. And here cot 45. Now value of cot 45, that equal to 1. Now next minus 3. First one sin square 38 degree, and here sin square 52. Instead of 52 you can write down 90 minus 38. That means sin square 90 minus 38, and that becomes cos square 38. So here 1 plus 2 into cot 8 degree into, now tan 8 means 1 by cot 8. Next cot 17 degree. Now tan 17 means 1 by cot 17 into 1, and here minus 3 as Sin square 38 plus cos square 38, that equal to 1. But because you know the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square 38 plus cos square 38, that equal to 1. So cot 8 cancel out, cot 70 cancel out. So here 1 plus 2. So 2 minus 3. So 1 plus 3, that means 3 minus 3, and that equal to 0. Now sum number 8. Okay, sum number 6, sum number 7 are same kind of problem. So here now sum number 7 to 11. Sum number 7 to 11, each and every problem you have to prove something. Okay, now each and every problem are same kind of problem. You just put down the value, or you can use the formula 90 degree minus theta, and then you will solve the problem. I hope you will not face any kind of problem. So here now sum number 8 2, and for me it not possible to solve each and every problem. So I am just going to help you and going to teach you some tips to solve the problem. So here sec 31 sin 59, okay, plus cos 31 cosec 59, and you have to prove that the value equal to 2. So sec 31, write down the first one. Now sin 59, okay. So instead of 59, you can write down here 90 minus 31, as 90 minus 31 equal to 59. So sin 90 minus 31, and that becomes cos 31. Next one, here cos 31. Now cosec 59. Now cosec, instead of cosec 59, 59 means you can write down here 90 minus 31. Now cosec 90 minus 31, that is the formula of sec 31. So the next one, here sec 31 into, now cos 31 means 1 by sec 31. Next one, cos 31 into sec 31 means 1 by cos 31. So these two are cancelled out. So 1 plus 1, and that equal to 2. So it's proved. Now next one, sum number 10 2. Sin 50 by cos 40 plus cosec 40 by sec 50 minus 4 cos 50 cosec 40 plus 2, and that equal to 0. You have to prove. So sin 50, now cos 40 means cos 90 minus 50, and that becomes also sin 50. Next here cosec 40, sec 50 means sec 90 minus 40, and that becomes cosec 40. Next 4 cos 50. Now here cosec 50, cosec 50 means cosec 90 minus 50, and that equal to sec 50 plus 2. So that equal to 1 plus 1 minus 4. Now here cos 50 into sec 50. Now sec 50 means 1 by cos, so here cos cancel out, so only minus 4 plus 2. Now 1 plus 1 2 plus 2, so that becomes 4 minus 4, and that equal to 0. So it's proved. Sum number 12 2. So here sin 35 degree cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree sin 55 degree by cosec square 10 degree minus tan square 80 degree. So first you have to find out this whose two angles, the addition of whose two angles, that equal to 90. So here 35 and 55, it's become 90, and here 10 and 80, it's become 90. So first write down sin 35, and instead of cos 55, you can write down here cos 90 degree minus 35, and that becomes also sin 35. Now next one, cos 35, and here instead of sin 55, you can write down cos 35. Why? As sin 90 minus 35, that becomes cos 35. So whenever you change 55 to 35, then change all the 55 into 35. Now if you wish to change 35 into 55, then change all the 35 into 55. Don't mix it up. Okay. So now here cosec square 10. Now cosec square 10 degree minus here tan square 10. Okay. Now tan square 10 means you can change here tan 90 degree minus 10, that becomes cot. So cot square 10 degree. Now in the numerator sin 35, that becomes sin square 35, here cos square 35, and here cosec square 10 minus cot square 10. That means here you can apply the formula cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and that equal to 1. Now the upper one, sin square 35 plus cos square 35, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta, that equal to also 1. So 1 by 1, so the final answer is 1. Now the next one, 13.3. You have to prove that tan theta by tan 90 minus theta plus sin 90 degree minus theta by cos theta, and that equal to sec square theta. So here first write down tan theta, and here tan 90 degree minus theta, that becomes cot theta, then plus sin 90 degree minus theta, that equal to cos theta. So now by cos theta, so cos theta cancel out. Here tan theta and cot theta means 1 by tan theta plus 1. So that means here tan square theta plus 1. Okay, tan theta into tan theta, that becomes tan square theta and plus 1. Now formula of tan square theta plus 1, that equal to sec square theta. Okay, so it's proved. Here you can apply this formula. The formula is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. That is the main formula, and from that you can get tan square theta plus 1 equal to sec square theta. Sum number 14.2. Prove that sin 90 degree minus a by cosec 90 degree minus a plus cos 90 degree minus a by sec 90 degree minus a, and that equal to 1. You have to prove that 1. So here sin 90 degree minus a, the formula is cos a. Here cosec 90 degree minus a, the formula is sec a. Cos 90 degree minus a, that equal to sin a. Sec 90 degree minus a, that equal to cosec a. Okay, now next the upper one will be cos a, and sec a means 1 by cos a. Here also upper one sin a, and cosec a means 1 by sin a. So the first one cos into cos, that becomes cos square a. Second one sin into sin, that becomes sin square a. Now formula of sin square a plus cos square a, that equal to 1. So it's proved. Next one, 15.2. Cosec 90 minus theta sin 90 minus theta by cot 90 minus theta by cos 90 minus theta sec 90 minus theta tan theta plus cot theta by tan 90 minus theta. So first one, cosec 90 minus theta, it's sec theta, then sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, then cot 90 minus theta, that is tan theta. So here cos 90 minus theta, it's sin theta, sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, and again tan theta, plus the upper one cot theta, and tan 90 minus theta, it's also cot theta. So cot theta cancel out, tan theta cancel out. Now sec theta, so sec theta means 1 by cos theta into cos theta, and sin theta, so write down just sin theta, and cosec theta means 1 by sin theta, so plus 1 for this one. Now cos theta cancel out, sin theta cancel out, so 1 plus 1, and that becomes 2. Sum number 16. It's a little bit tough problem in this exercise. So here cos square 45 degree plus theta plus cos square 45 degree minus theta divided by tan 60 plus theta tan 30 minus theta, and that equal to 1. You have to prove that. Okay, now the previous problem you have to just adjust 90 minus theta, convert each and every angle just 90 minus theta. Now in this angle you have to also convert it 90 minus theta, but in difficult way. So here 45 degree. Now you know that instead of 45 degree you can write down 90 minus 45. It's also 45. So just instead of 45, just write down here 90 minus 45 degree, and the last one plus theta. Now here cos square 45 degree minus theta will be same. Here 10. Now instead of 60 you can write down 90 minus 30 plus theta, and the last one tan 30 degree minus theta. Okay, so change 45 degree as 90 minus 45, change 60 degree as 90 minus 30. Now next, here cos square, now 90 degree, if you common minus, then it becomes 45 degree minus theta. and here also cos square 45 degree minus theta. Here tan 90 common minus, so that becomes 30 degree minus theta, and here tan 30 degree minus theta. Now if you consider this 45 minus theta as theta, then 90 minus theta. Okay, the whole angle, suppose the whole angle is alpha. Okay, so then 90 minus alpha, that becomes cos alpha, as here, sorry, sin alpha, as here cos 90 minus alpha, that equal to sin alpha, the formula. So write down here sin square 45 degree minus theta, and here cos square 45 degree minus theta. Okay, I hope you understand the problem. Here 90 minus 45 degree minus theta, if you consider this angle as theta, then it becomes cos 90 degree minus alpha. Okay, suppose this is a new angle, so it's considered alpha. So the formula of cos 90 degree minus alpha, that equal to sin alpha. So here instead of alpha, you can write down 45 degree minus theta, so put down here 45 degree minus theta. Same here, it becomes cot 30 minus theta, and tan 30 minus theta, that means 1 by cot 30 minus theta, as cot is the opposite of tan. So now cot, it's cancel out, and the upper one sin 45 degree minus theta is square plus cos square 45 degree minus theta, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta, the formula is 1. So 1 by 1, that equal to 1. So it's proved. Next one, sum number 17(2). In sum number 72, find the value of a where tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a and a minus 18 are acute angle. Okay, now you know that the formula cot 90 degree minus theta, that equal to tan theta. Okay, so instead of tan theta, you can write this one also, as this one equal to this one, so definitely this one also equal to this one. So right here tan 2a, you can write here cot 90 minus 2a, and the right hand side here cot a minus 18. Okay, so cot 90 minus 2a, that equal to tan 2a. So instead of tan 2a, you can write down here cot 90 minus 2a. Now in the both hand side, there will be cot. So if from both side, if you compare this one, then it becomes 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. So here minus 2a minus a, and that becomes minus 18 minus 19. So it's minus 3a, and it's 108. Minus minus cancel out. So a here 36. So value of a, that equal to 36. Now 17(3), here sec 2a equal to cosec a minus 27. So there will be same, you can apply the same formula. Instead of sec 2a, you can write down here cosec 90 minus 2a. Then comparing both sides and find the value of a. 18(2). Here tan 35 into cot 90 minus theta, and that equal to 1. Now you have to find out the value of theta. So here tan 45 into cot 90 minus theta. Now if you let cot 90 minus theta, okay, so here if you let that 90 minus theta equal to 35, then it becomes cot 35, and cot 35 into tan 35, that equal to 1. Okay, so you can let here 90 minus theta equal to 35. So here here cot 35, and that equal to multiply with tan 35, and that equal to 1. So 90 degree minus theta equal to 35. So minus theta equal to 35 minus 90 degree. So minus theta equal to minus 55 degree. So theta equal to 55 degree. Okay. Sum number 19. If ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that the first one cos A plus B by 2, that equal to sin C by 2. Okay, so now as ABC are the interior angles, that means the addition of these three angles equal to 180 degree. Okay, So from that equation, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 minus C. Now if you divided by 2 in both sides, if you dividing by 2 in both sides, then A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 minus C by 2, and 180 by 2 it becomes 90 minus C by 2. Okay, so now cos, if you add cos in both sides, so the left hand side will be cos A plus B by 2 and the right hand side will be cos 90 minus C by 2. Now formula of cos 90 minus C by 2, that becomes sin C by 2. So it's proved. Now the next one, tan C plus A by 2, that equal to cot B by 2. So I hope you can solve this problem by using the same method. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and families. If you face any kind of problem, you can directly contact us with Telegram. Okay, first you have to install Telegram and then just click the link in the description.